Today we're finishing our pier and beam foundation holes, which basically means that the house is not right. It means it's going to look like it's leaning away from responsibility.
I thought the hard part was buying the land. Nope. It's this. Me in a hole, questioning everything. We didn't move off grid to quit when it got hard. We're doing this for our family, one hole at a time.
So let's finish these holes before I come one with the earth.
All right, so right here, guys, we had the biggest freaking stump that was going across right of the center of the freaking hole, man.
is going to get it out.
It's dug, god dang, 18 inches, 20 inches, no problem. Frank, by the time we're done today.
Come on, Queen, don't you want to do this? Guess what I say?
That was hard, buddy. Yo, as you guys can see, we finally, we got our holes dug. Yay, let's freaking go, dude. So now that we got our holes dug, next time we come out here, we got to bring sonotubes and level all our tubes and then get prepared for concrete. So I'm super excited. So with the holes being done now, it's a big step, a big forward step going on to the next step. Big process. So I'm super excited. Anybody that's here for the journey, thank you guys so much for coming on the journey. And make sure you guys hit that like, hit that noti bell, hit that subscribe down there at the bottom, guys. And make sure you guys tag along, come along with the Lucky Fam, and hopefully we can move along a lot faster with this project. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. And now, guys, we'll see you next time, the next video. Scoop!